everyone, it's me, Bakisa. Welcome back to the Canva Cafe, and we're going to be doing a Halloween series, starting off with these hang tags. So we're going to do a custom size, and it will be, let's see, I can't even see. I think it's 2 by 3.5 inches, but you can blow up the screen and see, because and I'm really going to try to do a whole Halloween series for you guys. Yeah. It happens to be one of my favorite designing seasons. So I just searched Halloween and in photos, and you can just pick whatever you want. And I'm just making a scrap page, so I have a lot to choose from because I'm just indecisive. Don't mind that cat. So now I'm getting ready to type out our title of our hang tag, and it's our fictitious brand, Lux Hair, and I'm just picking a font. And just adding a little bit more information at the bottom. I think I titled it Holiday Hair Collection. I'm not sure. And I'm just spreading out the letters and the word just so it could take up a little bit more space and kind of act as a little shelf for the title. And I'm getting ready to change the color of the words because I wasn't sure what color background I was going to do. So I just popped this Halloween orange here until I decided what color I wanted to do the background. That way I could see it. But I do know it was going to be a dark background, so I couldn't have black letters. So I'm going to do one in its entirety. And then the others is just going to be like suggestions. Like, you know, I like to show you guys. So I just placed the photo as the background. I set it as the background. And I also went to the settings on the file and I turned on the print bleed. Because if you're going to have it printed, of course, you want to know where the design is going to be cut off. So that little light line is everything inside of that line will remain. Everything on the outside of that line is going to be possibly get cut off during printing. So be mindful. Anytime you're going to print something, always turn the print bleed on so you can see what may get missing. So I was putting this, deciding to put this hair bundle here. And like I said, remember the line will show you where it gets cut off. Now you could omit this little circle. It's just for visual purposes so you can see what it look like as a hang tag. That's our imaginary hole. But when you get ready to print it, please remove it. Please remove it. Otherwise it's going to print with that little hole there, which you could leave it there. It'll give you a guideline for where you want to punch your hole at. So you could leave it there if you wanted to. And right here I was trying to add a shadow, but Canva didn't want me to be great, but I wanted to leave that in there for you guys to see. I have issues too. It's because Canva has just updated some new functions, so whenever that happens, sometimes it has a little hiccup. So now I'm just trying another background just to show you different options, and I made it a little transparent so that they just kind of shine through as like little shadows. And I think I'm going to do a few more so you can see, but I'm going to do them super fast. And this one, I'm using one of the new functions, the magic grab, I think it's called, where it removes the image off of the background, but you still have the background back there as a separate frame, as opposed to the background remover where it completely gets rid of the background and it disappears. And see right here, that's the background. It's still there. But all it did was remove, it separated the background from the image. So that's a new function that Canva has. And I'm using these black pumpkins because I thought they were kind of luxe and glamorous when removing this other crap off of here. And I'm going to duplicate the pumpkins, and then I'm just going to position it to however I like for a little bit of interest. Just like I said, I'm doing it a little bit like a glam fall. So we're going to use these, you know, black pumpkins. And I'm just playing around with the glow just to be different. You know, you pretty much could not have it there, but I just wanted to tie in some of that orange just because, since I did the letters in orange, just for something fun. And I'm just positioning it and playing around with the position just to show you guys. And I'm making it a little bit transparent, the hair bundle, so it can blend better with the background, so it's just not popping out like that. And now we're getting ready to do a different one, and I'm just removing all the other stuff. So when you have one, you can use it as a template and then just do different things. So I put this little skeleton back there. I probably would have moved that hair bundle on the side, but I just didn't. So here's a few more you can look and watch. So this one is more fall-like and less Halloween. Now we're starting all again, and this one is my favorite one. I don't know why, but it's just cute. And then once I finish fooling around making all of these, I'm going to show you how I make the back of the hang tag. And all I'm doing, let's see, are we there yet? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, so what I did, I just duplicated the first one, and all I did was remove all the designs, and then now I'm just adding some wordage. It says length, texture, whatever you want to put for your hang tags. And I'm putting these little transparent glass, and I'm going to click it in a little while so you can see what it's called in case you want to use it. And I always star things I like so I can come back to it. And if I really like them, I add it to a folder. And that's what I'm doing here. I have specific folders that I add things to so I can find them later on. And I'm just going to duplicate it. So this will be the spot, you know, where you would write the information in. And we're just going to line everything up to be even. And then what'll happen is I'm going to group it together because I'm going to duplicate it for the other ones. So I duplicated the other hang tag. I removed the designs off the front and just added this the same information. And I decided to add the website. And as you see, I moved it up because it was touching that white line where it's going to print. And if I printed it, it would get cut off. So I'm just showing a whole bunch of different ones that I made just that quick by cutting and pasting. And let me know which one was your favorite. And if you didn't like any of them, let me know that too. And then I'm going to show you what happens next when you want to print them. You can actually save it like this and send it off to whoever you choose to print with, or you can print directly from Canva. Canva has printing options. And why am I speaking like a robot? Oh boy, I'm tired, y'all. I went out shopping today for a little early Christmas stuff, child. Everywhere got 50% off, so you can go ahead and get your early Christmas stuff if you celebrate Christmas. Okay, come on, Kisa. Let's speed this up. Well, I didn't realize I made that many of them. Okay. All right then. So now you go over to the share button and you scroll down to where it says print. I believe it said print. I can't see. And you would go to the business card one, and it's the one that says portrait. And then Canva will show you what like a sample of what it would look like. So in case it doesn't look right, you can always go back in and adjust your design. and now it's showing you how all that, the little white space is what's going to be cut off because it's for like a rounded card. So it'll show you, you know, just some images so you can see what it's like. And don't forget, when you're printing, whatever is number 1 is going to be the front, whatever is number 2 is going to be the back. So Canva will show you a few previews, and I'm going to show them to you too. So this is what they would look like, and then you would just punch the hole and use it to hang your hair bundles. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Love you. Bye.